So this is unboxing video number 2 for today. We have a giant Pinto on my high desert orchids box. Pinto, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Come here. All right. No, Pinto. Okay. I have my safety scissors. I have no place to put anything because I have a giant Pinto in the way. So I missed this for like an hour on my porch. Hopefully it wasn't too cold. This is actually several different buys. Pinto, do not get in here, all right? You are too heavy. You are 17 pounds, a fat cat. I do not want you in here. No, don't get in. Don't get in. Pinto, don't get in. Don't get in. You are just not listening. Not like these are very big plants. You totally squash these. See, he's not laying on. Of course he's laying on stuff. Alright, so it's 4 separate orders, or 4, yes. Which meant every single time I paid $1 for shipping, and then she charged me for shipping. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plants. I think 7 plants. 7 plants. All right. And this may be it for me. No more ordering all winter. I will try to be good. I do have an order sitting out in Hawaii. But that one needs to get a lot more plants in it before I'm going to have them shipped. The shipping will be $30 from Hawaii, and last time I found that the box was huge, so it would be more. Okay, so this is probably 1 plant. Pinto has not left the room. He's like right next to me. I'm so bad with tape. It's pretty cold. It was like warm yesterday. It was like 50 degrees, and then I think maybe even mid-60s. And then it got really cold again overnight. There we go. All right, so mini bow. So she had Sophrolele cattleya mini bow as a plug, and she had this giant like fire sale on plugs, and I went crazy and I bought a whole bunch of plugs, and then the mini bows came in the set of stuff that I got from her where everything got crushed. So, and then she sent replacements, so Kelly sent me replacements, but there were no mini bows in them. So I got mini bows now, and I don't know. They're so cold. It's so cold. So these are not, obviously, she potted these up, but they're not very well potted, as you can tell, since this has now just come out as I try to take the rubber bands off. And that's okay. I knew that. My biggest worry is that I stupidly left these outside. Let's see. The Postal Service tracking says they were left outside at 1:38, and it's now about 2:30, almost 3 o'clock. So this was out an hour and a half or so. not great. So there should be a second mini bow. So she had these basically in her live sale. They got totally sold out. I got on the wait list, but then I discovered you could buy them off the website. So I bought one off the website, and then I also bought one off the wait list. So there should be a second mini bow in here, because the last time I ordered 2 mini bows and they were crushed. They were crushed by the giant crushing of the Clandier box. This is my heat pack. Oh, it's not warm at all. Like, not at all. So I did get a heat pack. I paid for a heat pack, but quite clearly the heat pack did not do very well in terms of, yeah, here's my heat pack. Totally no heat left. Yes, this is gonna have to definitely be my last shipment. High Desert Orchids will be semi-closed until like January, but I may have to basically not get anything shipped if I buy anything, and end up with a big Bonzer box like in March when it finally gets warm enough to ship. I am not doing well with this tape. Oh, there's cotton on this. Does that mean that this thing is in bud? So what is this? Oh, this is one of the Oncidium. So she basically had a huge sale on Oncidium. Oh yes, yes, it's a twinkle. It's a twinkle with buds. Look at this. Buds on the twinkle. So this is Oncidium Twinkle CT White Showers. There should also be a yellow in here. This is CT White Showers. It's got that Oncidium leaves that Pinto loves. See, already looking at it. It's right there. See, he's right there. Eyeing this stuff like a little viper or a barracuda. Bites like a barracuda. All right. So I usually don't do well with twinkles. I don't know what it is. I think most it's called I don't water enough. This is come in bark. I will have to try to remember to put it into moss, because twinkles and bark never survive for me. They don't survive great in moss either, but they do slightly better. Oh no, I lost a bud. The little bud that came off. All right, that is, there's more plants. So that is, what did I say? I'm gonna have 8, that's 2. Trying to find places to put all the wrappings. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it's all empty. Oh, Pinto, look, it's an empty box. You want to get in the box? Get in the box. Get in the box, look. Look at the box. You want to get in the box? No, he doesn't want to get in the box. If he's in the box, then I know that he isn't munching orchids somewhere. All right. This is probably a couple plants. I hope it's a couple plants. So yes, this is sort of the last hurrah. So yes, there's 2 plants in here. I wrote 2 plants on it. Okay, here we go. All right, we've got, oh, these are the 2 Fire Magics. So I got a community pot of Fire Magic from H&R, and I want to say that every single little plantlet in that community pot has died. It wasn't, I don't know, it didn't look very good when I got it. It was very weak looking, and basically I potted it up and they all died. They all died in this vigorous, like, pell-mell, like, race to death. So she had these, they were, I think, they were 5 or 10 each, and so I just got 2 more from High Desert, because I keep trying to grow and bloom Fire Magic, not very successfully. And to tell you exactly how unsuccessful I am, I'm going to show you a Fire Magic that I have from H&R many years. Look at this. Okay, this is a Fire Magic. I think I've had this 8 years. As you can tell, I haven't gotten it to bloom yet. So it's gonna be a while before I get to it. This is, I think, almost blooming size. Here's another Fire Magic. Has a sheath, has a bloom jet. I have Fire Magics that have gone backwards, like this one. Okay, I've also had this one 8 years, and you can tell that it decided that it didn't even want to be in the pot. I mean, I think this is smaller than when I got it from H&R. This is SLC Fire Magic H&R. Anyways, I like Fire Magics. I like the flares. I like many things about them, but apparently my ability to grow them is the suck. Like, I can't even get this back. It's like totally not even in. I should do something with it. Oh, yes, I'm really bad at growing Fire Magic. All right, so here's 2 more of that. To keep trying, because hey, if first you don't succeed, try again. That's my thing. That's how I finally got my How We Are Love a Burst to Bloom, right? I killed 4 other ones. That's my 5th one. All right, so that's 2 Fire Magics. And Seed Grown Fire Magics, it has flares, and the patterning and all the Fire Magics can all be different. So it is worthwhile to me to get Seed Grown Fire Magics that are not clones. I mean, not that I haven't gotten clones, but hey, I can't bloom those either. Here's one plant in here. Oh, this is another twinkle. Oh, there's no cotton. It probably has no buds. So this is Oncidium Twinkle Fragrance Fantasy. It's supposed to be yellow. Fragrance Baby. Fragrance Baby, not Fantasy. Fragrance Baby. So this main pseudobulb's a little shriveled, but these were also on sale. I think these were like, each of these were like 16 or 18 inch each for the twinkles. And then one last package. And she did wrap all of these in plastic, I guess, to help keep them as warm as possible, but you know, the weather is really against me now in Chicago. We had it's a really extra warm fall. It's cold, it's been warm-ish, such that I haven't brought my cymbidiums in from the sunroom yet. They are still out there, because I can't use my sunroom yet as a second refrigerator, so that's warm for Chicago at this time of year. But still too cold for comfort or plant shipping. Okay, this is the other mini bow right here. And it's totally not attached in its pot, so I'm gonna pull this off. Right, there's the mini bow. Let me see if I can reseat it. There we go. Really good now. Oh no, there's no bark on this side. All right, there's 2 mini bows. And there's one last plant here. Oh, you are small. Okay, so this is, I would have thought this would be bigger because it's got Mariba Tiger in it. All right, but possibly not. And everything feels so cold. There's another rubber band down here somewhere. Oh, also not attached. Oh, whoops, I lost the plant out here. All right, so this right here is Mariba Tiger by Lelia Milleri. Whoops, let's hold it close. So I think these are all like little plugs that she just put in. Might take this as a chance to go ahead and mount this one. Since it's not really in, it's just kind of resting on top. I don't really know that you can even bury that plug properly. All right, so there we go. I can't keep that one in. That's gonna be like a delicious pinto snack if I don't get it up. All right, so that is everything. Pinto has not, everything on step ladder right here. Pinto is right here. See his butt. So everything is safe right now. So that is, I'm gonna call it my last unboxing for this season. I doubt that my Hawaii order is going to ship before the new year. So there we go. If you want to buy stuff, I would do it now before it gets too cold. I would say that I am really reaching the limit of shipping. This was probably not the wisest buy on my part. I hope that all my little guys will make it, but if they don't, well, that was my own stupid fault.